keys to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours. And today we're just going to be taking an early morning drive from Red Hills Road all the way into Halfway. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we're currently coming down the hill on Red Hills Road. Look at the craziness here. So it's raining this morning, so the road is wet. And as you can see, there's no patience. So we're coming down Red Hills Road. For those who haven't been here for some time, there's a lot of new apartments on this road, and some still being built. To our right hand side, there is one being built right now, and you'll see another one coming up shortly. Also, to our right hand side, you will see the new NWC, or National Water Commission, their solar panel station. I think they're trying to move away from JPS, and they're to power their pump here on Red Hills Road. So to our left hand side there, that's a new apartment complex that's being built right at the foot of the hill here. So right on our left hand side here, that's the NWC pump. So this is where the Forest Hill pump that pumps water up the hill. So I think that's where they're trying to use the solar panels to power that pump. So we're at Perkins Boulevard Junction, and we're going to be heading straight on to Nightingale Drive. So Nightingale Drive here. A lot of persons believe this is Red Hills Road, but the Red Hills Road is on the left hand side, that turn on the left hand side. So it continues there and it goes all the way up until it reaches Meadowbrook Avenue or Meadowbrook Road. And then if you turn left, it becomes Meadowbrook Road. If you turn right, it continues to be Red Hills Road. So it's a rainy morning. I'm not sure if it's always rainy in January. I don't know. It just seems strange to me that we've been having a few rainy showers this February now. I'm not sure why it feels strange, but it's always good to have rain. Keeps the place cool. Allow the flowers and stuff to grow. So on your left hand side is Price Right. The police here are doing now. They're doing a traffic stop. So So as I said before, this is now Red Hills Road. If you turn to the left, becomes Meadowbrook Avenue, and if you continue right, it will continue as Red Hills. To our right hand side is Price Smart. One of the location. There's another newer one that was made recently, probably maybe 2 years now. In Portmore. So there's two locations, as well as I do believe that there's a bakery office in Montego Bay. So on your left hand side is St. Richard's Primary. I do believe it's a good school. To our right hand side is the Sunrise Medical Center, as well as the famous KFC that brings a lot of traffic, especially on Friday or Saturday nights. Bird Shack is on our left. That's the new establishment that was made, probably opened last year, in the middle of last year, that offers the same kind of cuisine as KFC, however, not to the same quality. So because of that, it's not that busy. So if you can't bother with the line at KFC or at Popeyes, which we're coming up to, and you can try Bird Shack. It is what it is. It's not the best, but it's chicken. So if you love chicken, it doesn't matter where you get it from. And it's the same price. Red Hills Road, Red Hills Road. Popeyes is at the gas station. There's Total gas station to our right hand side. Then you have Island Grill, which is at the Red Hills Mall. I'll do a tour of the Red Hills Mall. It's not, to be honest, it hasn't gotten better. The supermarket had left, and then now there is what we call a haberdashery, which is basically like a store that offers everything inside, household items, at a relative cheap price. It's raining a little bit heavier down here. So Red Hills Road is known for its traffic and crazy taxi drivers. So you might see them creating their own lane as they seem fit. Jack's Bakery, it's been there for years. I love their sugar bun and their raisin bread. So if you're interested in getting some Jack Bakery, that's where it's located. I do believe that's the only location. To our left hand side is Lee's Supermarket and Pharmacy. To our right, Burger King and a Chinese restaurant. I do believe
Police reported ahead.
Lee Supermarket owns the new establishment that is, I do believe it's called 76 Red Hills Road, which is this new mall here that was open probably maybe 2 years now. So as you can see, it's on our left hand side here. Has a lot of stores, Starbucks, Press, Press, Presto, Devon House, ice cream. There's a lot of electrical charging ports for cars. So if you have a electric car, you can charge here. There are, I think, 4 outlets by Evergrow. um, Juicy Beef, Maxi Store. What else is there? There's also M10, which is a restaurant. Um, what else is there? And like some medical places, I do believe that there's a dentist and a doctor's office and stuff like that. And there's also Sutherland, which is at the back, which is a call center, BPO. To our right is for those Calabar students, Rabalak. That's off to your right hand side. Head forward towards the stoplight. So Red Hills Road has been gaining a lot of new business recently. Um, and places are being there are a few locations or a few malls or buildings that I see have been demolished, and maybe something new is coming up. But they're behind zinc fence, so you can't really see anything. Right in the region of the Red Hills Mall area, right there. There's a in front of it. There's a building in front of it that has been demolished. So maybe something new is coming there. If you want to go to Dunrobin, you take the left and turn up the to the on over the bridge. And for us, we're continuing on the Red Hills Road, so we're driving straight, going into half a tree. So if you want to go to Cassia Park or Cassia Park Road, you take the right hand turn here. For us, as I said, we're continuing straight. I don't know what this community is called. I'm not sure if it's a part of Cassia Park, since Cassia Park is on your right hand side, or I don't know what this community is called, but it's on Radius Road. To our left hand side is Dunrobin Primary. Continue. You have Lasco Financial Services on your left hand side and Lasco Distributors on your right hand side. That's a pharmaceutical division. What else? Novelty Parties, the Trade Center, which has a lot of businesses there. Uh, you have Dunn's Electrical, which is probably about 4 or 5 floors of household items along with electrical items. And I do believe there's a gym on the top. We have the back entrance to Marketplace is this left turn here, which is right here. Then you have tools, hardware and supplies. Creative Building Finishes is on the right hand side, and Sugar and Spice, their head office, is right here. To our left hand side is the Ministry of Justice, their back entrance. They have bought all this area and developed it for their facility, or for their office. Before, it was this part was owned by somewhere else, and they bought it, demolished it, and turned it into a parking lot for their staff and, I guess, clients who are coming to them. So we're at the stoplight of Red Hills Road and Eastwood Park. So this is where Red Hills Road ends, and then we'll um, continue on to Constant Spring Road. So you see this man. Alright, so once we come straight across, you see the King's Plaza, and then Popeyes, and then we're now on Constant Spring Road, heading into Half a Tree. This is kind of well, we're now into the famous Half a Tree, which is on Constant Spring Road. So funny that Half a Tree Road is not where Half a Tree is. But to our left
Red
hand
light
side,
camera reported ahead.
a lot of new business. We have the Mall Plaza, the Village Plaza. Um, this is where Pika is on the right. We just passed Courts. I'm going to do a proper walking tour of this area of Half a Tree so you can see all the new businesses that have been established and opened, as well as how the areas or the stores have been updated. Um, it's I'm not going to say funny, but Tropical Plaza, which has been there the same amount of time as the other ones, they haven't really changed or done much to their outward appearance to upgrade and modernize the area. While all the other one, Mall and Village, have done upgrades to their malls. I think both have an elevator that can go upstairs and downstairs. They have new business and so forth. But Tropical Plaza, as well as the other one, I'm not sure what the other one is called beside of it further down. They haven't changed much. So is the right hand side, Springs Plaza, all these plazas over here hasn't they haven't done anything different to update their plaza to maybe make it more attractive. That's how I feel. But once we do the walking tour and you can see them, you can tell me what you think. See if I can come out of this lane. It's not moving anywhere. Singer, which again, Singer is not that popular. I'm not sure why. But over Tropical Plaza, then you have Springs coming up with the other KFC. The one business I know in Jamaica that will always do good and always be packed and full of people is KFC. You can put KFC beside each other and both store will be full. In fact, right here in Hartford, there's one KFC here and then another, maybe 5 minute walk, there's another one. And they're always packed. Always. Just come to our left hand side. Oh, this one is called Premier Plaza. Yeah, Premier Plaza. Plaza to our left. Premier Plaza. Um, Not sure what this one is called. So I think Central Plaza, they said. And then you have Pavilion Mall. That hasn't done any upgrade as well. Still the same. In fact, it looks worse than before. And then you have Scotia to our left hand side, which no longer sees or is open to the public. I do believe it's a part of their digital or um, online infrastructure center. Um, the only thing that's open, I believe, is the money machines that you can go there and withdraw money. They have like probably like 8 of them there. But the building itself, to go in and to go to a teller, you'll have to go to the other location, which is called Half a Tree. So this one used to be called Premier, but the other one, this one is closed, and they have changed all the accounts and moved them to the Half a Tree location. Okay, so we are driving still. As you know, Transport Center, the hub of Half a Tree for all bus and bus related transports, only to the government, to JUTC. The outside bus and taxis are on the road, um, on the right hand side there. But hub itself is only for the JUTC. Then you have to your left hand side, you have the Jane Bank, and we have Sagicor. So right here, at this stoplight here, as you can see, a lot of billboards and electronic billboards. They call it the Times Square of Half a Tree, or the Times Square of Kingston, because of all the electronic signs, especially during like any Olympic games or athletic games. All these monitors would be showing live footage of the event, to which people watch, and people come out and everything will stop still just to watch a race or something like that. Especially when boat was running, we'll see this very happening very often when the whole half a tree will stop just to watch Bolt or um, Shakira or Shelly or any one of our athletes. Once they are running, the whole place would stop just to watch them. No, no, it's Shakira, not Shakira, yeah, Shakira, and and Kashin. Those are major athletes right now that we still go out and support and watch. Along with Shelly, um, you have is it what, Tia and Tina. They're also very good as well. But our athletes are not what they used to be. But we as Jamaicans we still support them. So we're moving on from Anton Spring Road into Half a Tree Road. And this is where we stop our video for today, guys. So, um, I hope you enjoy the little ride with us as we drive and look at some of the new developments from Radius Road into Half a Tree. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming up. So stay tuned and see you next time.